Hi guys, this is a quick check-in. It's less than 24 hours to go before we go on our road trip. And here's my bike. All in pieces still. So yeah, so I'm going to have fun getting that back together in this lovely rain now. Just had hailstones, thunder and lightning as well in the last half an hour. So yeah, it's going to be fun getting this back together. Full. Take bag. I've got the old stealth drift cam. Homemade waterproofing. It's just started to piss it down with rain. So I think I'll leave the camera off for the moment. Shortly after leaving, the rain cleared up and the sun came out. So we decided to take the scenic route, avoiding the motorway for as long as possible. We headed through Salisbury towards Warminster, then Standerwick, through Bath, a short period along the M4 before reaching Gloucester, and then all the way to Sutton St Nicholas, where we made our base for the evening. After unloading all our gear and resting for a while, we headed up to the local pub, the Golden Cross Inn, for some food.